Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Bharat and you are watching Swag Tech, and in this video I am going to tell you everything you need to know about the Mi Band 6, from new features to design changes. Watch the video till the end and I am sure you won't regret. Let's talk about the design changes. The Mi Band 6 has a 1.56-inch AMOLED display, whereas the Mi Band 5 has an 1.111-inch AMOLED screen. The display resolution has increased from 126 by 29 to 152 by 486 with a color depth of 326 ppi. The display brightness is however the same at 450 nits maximum. The screen is 50% bigger from the previous model. The Mi Band 6 has 50-meter IP68 rating and it has a crazy new charging design, and it also has some new watch faces that you can access from the Mi Fit app. You also get smoother animations in the UI that makes it look so fluid. Sensors. The Mi Band 6 doesn't offer any new sensor but offers automatic workout detection. Whenever the band will detect you are walking, running, etc., it will prompt you to start the workout. And in this budget range of fitness bands, it is rarely found, and if there, doesn't work properly. If you have watched this video till here, I think it is somewhat helpful to you. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you never miss out any of the new updates. You can also follow me on Instagram and get shorter tricks, information on game sales and many more behind the stuff scenes. Thank you. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life is claimed to be same as before for 14 days. It has a 125 mAh battery and a magnetic charge in the box. The screen is however bigger, so let's see how efficient it is in the long run. Workout modes. In comparison to 11 sports modes in Mi Band 5, the Mi Band 6 has 30 fitness modes with automatic workout detection, as we have talked earlier. Health features. The Mi Band 6 now offers an all-new SpO2 tracking feature that is very useful in these days. It also has a heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, also including the sleep breathing quality feature, women's health tracking and stress monitoring. Other features. Now you can reply with a message after denying a call from a preset text options and many more, like message call notification, app alerts, calendar, alarm, clock, stopwatch, timer, music control, find phone, unlock phone only in MIUI phones, camera remote shutter, weather and set activity goals. In the box you get the Mi Band 6, charger and some user manuals. The price, it is estimated at around 2500 to 3000 rupees. It is almost same as before, and I think this is the best fitness band as of now in this budget range. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any future updates. And I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye, take care.